Good morning, friends. I, Dr. Jyoti R. Maheshwari, Assistant Professor, Srimati LRT College of Commerce, Akola, welcomes you in this classroom. In BCom 4th semester, we have an interesting subject, which is Information Technology and Business Data Processing too. Nowadays, everyone is more or less concerned with information technology. In fact, today's this lecture is also explaining the importance of information technology. जी हाँ विद्यार्थी मित्रों, इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी यह विज्ञान की एक अनोखी देन है। आज के दौर में इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी हमारे जीवन शैली का हिस्सा बन गई है। इस क्षेत्र में कई नए रोजगार निर्मित किए हैं। इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी ने संचार के क्षेत्र में तो मानो क्रांति ही ला ली है। इसलिए मैंने कहा कि आज का यह ऑनलाइन लेक्चर भी आईटी की ही देन है। हमारे जेब के मोबाइल फोन से लेकर तो कॉलेज में लगे सीसीटीवी कैमरे तक सभी आईटी की ही देन है। आईटी का क्षेत्र बहुत बड़ा है। विगत 3rd सेमेस्टर में हमने इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी एंड बिजनेस डाटा प्रोसेसिंग इस विषय का अभ्यास किया था। उसी का पार्ट 2 हम पढ़ रहे हैं। सो कमिंग टू टुडेज टॉपिक, लेट अस स्टार्ट विद इंफॉर्मेशन। इन इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी एंड बिजनेस डाटा प्रोसेसिंग टू, information is a primary aspect. Information consists of data, images, text, documents, and voice, which is always organized in a meaningful context. The following figure explain how the data becomes information. Here are some definitions. Summarization of the available data is an information. Collection of facts and assumption is also an information. The act of informing or the condition of being informed is an information, and communication of knowledge is also an information. Characteristics of information are: information is trustworthy, it is meaningful, it is totally based on facts, it is confirmed with previous. Information is always action oriented. Information is always accurate and precise. It is faster in application. Data means raw facts gathered about someone or something which is bare and random. Facts concerning a particular event or subject which are refined by processing is called information. Data refers to raw data. Information analyzes data. Data is based on record and observations, while information is based on analysis. The form of data unorganized, while information is in organized form. Data is in the form of number, letters, or a set of characters, while information is in the form of idea and inferences. Data carries no specific meaning. Information carries meaning that has been assigned by interpreting data. Data may or may not be useful, and information is always useful. Data does not depend on information. Without data, information cannot be processed. Information is used for monitoring and controlling. It is used for decision making. Information works as a tool in SWOT analysis. It is helpful to analyze the customer and suppliers. Now we will see the definition of information technology. According to the IT Association of America, it is the study, design, development, implementation, support or management of computer-based information system, particularly software application and computer hardware. According to Mal, information technology means various means of obtaining storage and transforming information using computer, communication and microelectronics. Features of information technology are listed below: creation of information, unification, processing, saving of data, presentation, distribution and management, uses of various software and hardware. Following are the objectives of information technology: supporting technical functions associated with business, supporting information storage, retrieval and dissemination system, supporting management information services, especially analyzing statistics. It can be used business services, continuing education and training courses for employees, and information science, correspondence studies and business extension services in a better way. Impact of IT can be marked in the various fields of business sector: industrial and business field, advertisement field, transportation field, printing field, banking field. Impact of IT on social sector: offices field, entertainment field, sports field, defense field, the space field, medical field and agriculture field. Thank you.